Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head.
Hello everybody and welcome back to today's video. I'm going to be sharing an extreme kitchen clean with me. As you can see, my fridge is so bad. It needed a really good deep cleaning. And yeah, so I'm going ahead and tackling that first. I'm just sharing a little bit of a before here, and we're going to go ahead and get it all empty so that I can then fill it. So stay tuned for a grocery haul / a refrigerator kind of restock. Everything we're doing, we are sticking in the kitchen today. And so if you're needing some motivation in that area, you've definitely come to the right place. I wanted to do a whole house clean with me, but I ended up only having time just to stay in the kitchen as we had just got back from vacation this evening. And so I am tackling the fridge first, and then the rest is filmed the following day. So stay tuned for lots and lots of motivation here in the kitchen. So I am just going ahead and taking these containers out and washing them. I love these containers. They are actually just from the dollar store. They are highly inexpensive, but super functional. And so I love that they help to keep my fridge nice and clean. And so again, just going ahead and washing those before moving on and emptying and cleaning out the rest of the fridge. So as you can see, I am actually vacuuming the inside of my fridge just to get all of the stuff out on the bottom, just kind of help to loosen it up a bit. And as you can see, everything that was already loose just kind of came off nicely. And then I'm just going ahead and doing each of the shelves before I wipe it down, just using some Tiber River, which is one of my favorite natural cleaners. But I actually just recently got a new cleaner, which I haven't tried yet, so stay tuned for that in a future video. But we're gonna go ahead and get this refrigerator nice and cleaned out before moving on throughout the rest of the kitchen.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out. was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out.
All right, everybody, the fridge is cleaned and ready to be filled, restocked. Just got home from getting groceries, and so I'm going to share with you guys a little bit of a grocery haul from our superstore, and then my mother-in-law is picking us some things up from Costco, and so I'll be sharing them a little bit later in the video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm just going to share with you just kind of like a little bit of a back to school haul. So I ended up picking up some meat, some chicken, some ground beef. I got some eggs. We always buy the large ones. I got 2 packs of clamato for my Caesars. I got my husband some beer. And then over here, I got some romaine lettuce, some spinach. We got some buns for, we're making chicken burgers for supper tonight. Some clementines per Lily's request. I got some juice boxes. I just got these like fruit punch ones. Cheese strings for Lily's lunches. And then I got 2 things of shredded cheese. We go through that like crazy. I got some milk, some frozen broccoli that I've already like cut into for lunch. Pineapple, sweet potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower. My favorite bruschetta. This stuff is the bomb on top of eggs. Got some peaches, peppers. They didn't have a lot for organics, so unfortunately I had to go non-organic. These are my favorite wraps. They're great for like lunch. And then this was definitely an impulse buy. My impulse buy of the day. I share those often with you, but these are apple cinnamon muffins that looked great. Some queso pasa, tortilla chips, the Dave's Killer Bread's best bread ever, strawberries. I got my husband some deodorant, cucumbers. Moving over here, we got some bananas, potatoes, and then these are the best breakfast hash browns ever. Moving over, that's the girls' lunch. Just making cheesy pasta and broccoli. And then coffee was on sale, so I got that. Okay, so that is it for the grocery haul. I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff put away. I gotta do some meal prep in today's video, make a veggie tray and all the things. I'm gonna prep supper as we have a really busy afternoon, and so there's lots to do. So I hope you're up and moving, and then we'll get into the cleaning motivation a little bit later, so you can go ahead and clean along with me.
The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. I can't go on.
Alright guys, so getting into the meal prep, I'm just going ahead and washing a bunch of veggies so that I can go ahead and make a little veggie tray. This is something I like to do weekly. It's kind of part of my weekly reset routine. So seeing as we had just got home from our holiday, I wanted to go ahead and just include it in this video. And then I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys a buffalo cauliflower recipe. So that is coming up very, very shortly. And then the cleaning motivation will be right after that. So let me know in the comments if you like when I share recipes and stuff. I love cooking. I actually have so many fall recipes, and I would be happy to share them with you guys here on my channel and just implement them into cleaning videos, kind of like I did today. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to share more fall recipes.
I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. I'm trying to hold on. Gotta keep on keeping on, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go back to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is yours. There's nowhere I can hide. gonna be there all the way. It's even out the odds, it's not rational, baby. In the wrinkles of your palms lies my destiny. I don't have a choice. Just a little bit of you and I go run to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you, baby, now.
Alright, so you can probably see in the background there, I am watching one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Katie Sarah. I've actually collabed with her in the past, and I just really adore her and her channel. And I was away on holidays and I was actually catching up, so I had 4 videos of hers to catch up on, and of course it was the first thing that I did. But yeah, that's kind of who I'm watching in the background while I do the dishes. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my sink using the Dawn Power Wash before sharing with you guys the rest of the buffalo cauliflower recipe.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are.
I had to share that lovely before and after of the refrigerator. I honestly find it so satisfying to like completely, I always say like gut, right? Like completely gut out the fridge, get it all empty, get it all cleaned and cleared, and then you just refill it and restock it. I find it so satisfying. So I thought I would include that before and after shot. I know that you guys really like when I do those. But now moving on, I'm going ahead and using my sea salt and lime multi-purpose spray from Method and going ahead and cleaning my counters and my stove with it.
Just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are.
So as you saw there, my cooler was also really gross from our road trip. We actually traveled all the way across the country. I think that's a total of like 3,600 kilometers, which is so crazy. We did it with our 2 and 4-year-old, of course. And so we do like to bring a cooler of, you know, fresh snacks and stuff like that. We actually don't like to eat a lot of fast food, and our children actually don't really like fast food. So it's kind of, you know, it's really good, but it's also kind of hard to do when you are traveling across the country. But yes, that's why our cooler needed a really good cleaning. Now I am just taking our trash can outside and cleaning it out there. One thing I love about the warmer months is the fact that you can do it. And thankfully where I live here in Ontario, it is still nice, even though we are in September now and we are, you know, getting into the season of fall, which is one of my personal favorite seasons, but it's still really nice out. And so I'm still able to clean my trash can outside in the backyard. Let me know in the comments where you clean your trash can. In the cooler months, I definitely take mine to the bathtub and I have to clean it in there. Moving on, let's go ahead and vacuum the kitchen.
I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you, although you drive me crazy. I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still. You're medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You light a fire just to put me out again. Still I need you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Ooh, yeah, you.
Okay, so from Costco, I got more back to school snacks. So these Welch's fruit snacks, got 2 boxes of those, and these chocolatey caramel granola bars for Lily. We also got lots of honey. The girls love dipping honey, so we just got the Kirkland brand. That's what they had, so my mother-in-law got us some organic maple syrup as well as some almond flour. We also got some hemp hearts for the girls' smoothies, peanut butter. We go through this like crazy. Adeline's obsessed with peanut butter sandwiches. These sweet and spicy nuts are like the best thing ever next to this dip. I've shared this dip before, but if you haven't tried it, you got to. Some Worcestershire for my Caesars. We needed some Cascade pods, super random, I know, and then some Vector cereal. Now, not shown in this Costco haul, we also got some spring rolls. All right, everybody, now that I finally have the entire kitchen cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and actually end the video here, and then I'm gonna tackle the rest of my house in a future video as we have a lot to do this afternoon, and yeah, not enough time. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed this kitchen fall clean with me. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Let me be the sun.